In this video, you're going to learn how to make the balloon robot. For the robot, you're going to use two 260s and a 5-inch white round for the eyes. I use rose and green in here, but you can use whatever colors you want. Okay, so you're going to blow up both of those balloons the same length, with quite a bit left over in the end, right about there. And that 5-inch white round, about that size for the eyes. Okay, grab one of those balloons, doesn't matter which one. You're going to start with a small bubble, and then a bubble the same size or a little bigger, make a pinch twist. And we're starting with the leg of the robot here. So go right about there. Make another bubble there and pinch twist that. That's the bottom of the leg, and we're going to make the top of the leg here. And I'm going to go about 4 finger lengths. And make a bubble there and pinch twist that. This is very similar to the Ninja or Spider-Man, but I tend to make the dimensions a little bit longer than those for the robot. Now grab the second balloon here, and this is going to be the other leg. So make the same exact process that you just did. So that bubble with a pinch twist next, the bottom of the leg there, about 2 inches. Make another pinch twist here with that 1-inch bubble, and that's the knee. And then go ahead and make the same size for the top of the leg as you did the other one. And then make a small bubble and pinch twist that for the top of the leg. All right, rotate it around there. Go ahead and grab that other balloon we made to begin with. And you're just going to line those up right next to each other. And then just twist those ends in there. All right, so this is going to be the center of the robot here. Now go up to the desired length. I'm going to go right to there. Make it a little bit taller. Twist it in. All right, so those are going to be the arms. I'm going to push that through to lock it in. And then I'm going to pick one of those sides and make it the head by making a loop twist. And that's where those eyes are going to go through right there. So twist that in. Situate it where you need to. Now we're going to work on those arms. And we'll be well on our way here. So I'm going to twist about there. And then do my elbow with a 1-inch pinch twist. And for the arm of the robot, I'm just going to end it right there. So I do a little bit smaller than the top of the arm. Now I'm going to take the rest of that off. So I'm going to go up further, break it off. That way I have some balloon to tie with. Now make sure you tie that in without letting go. Right there. All right, so that's one of the arms. Now I'm going to do the same exact process on this other side here. So make sure it's the same dimensions. Make that pinch twist there for the elbow. And then we'll finish off the arm just like the other one with a 2 to 3 inch bubble. Okay? Right there looks good. And then I'm going to go up further, break it off. Right there. And then hold that on tight and tie it in. All right, just situate it to where I want here. And that's the main body of the robot. So we're going to grab that 5-inch white round balloon. And I'm going to twist right down the middle into 2 equal parts. All right. twist that in, and then I take that nozzle and wrap it around a few times to lock it in pretty well. Now hold on to both sides just in case it comes undone, and then go ahead and push that through that loop twist we made for the head. So I like to pull it apart with one hand and then push through with the other. Kind of push and pull, get that eye through, so you have one eye on each side. Now it's starting to look like a robot here. And remember, you can use different colors. I typically use 2 grays or 2 blacks or something like that. All right, we're almost done here. Just gonna grab the Sharpie and draw on some robot eyes here. And then also a little bit on the mouth there. I just do 3 lines. Make sure it looks good. And that is the robot. Looks really good, guys. Nice work.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on the robot. If you're new here at School of Balloons YouTube channel, my name is Joey, and I'm here because I really believe that balloon twisters deserve accountability, training, and support that a lot of other professionals are getting out there. And that's why I've designed a school that's specifically for you. If you want to check that out, it's at schoolofballoons.com. But if nothing else, go ahead and subscribe to this channel where we're going to have more great tutorials just like this one coming out on a regular basis. Not just balloon tutorials, which are great, but also some of the how-tos of how to make money as a balloon twister. So thank you so much for stopping by. Really nice to meet you virtually. We're going to have all the links for that stuff below, so check it out. I'll see you guys next time.